Hi guys, my name is Dom and this is DomTalksTech. For years I've been so passionate and so interested in the latest tech, modern capabilities of tech and how it can truly transform all of our lives. And that's why I decided to set up this channel, to build a community in the hope that I can connect with people who are feeling the same way about tech, feeling really passionate and interested in the capabilities, where it's going. We've now got foldable phones, we've got new software, we've got the Google Stadia cloud-based gaming service. There's so much going on in the tech world, and I really wanted to bring it all together somewhere that really connected with people, and at least my knowledge and my experience could be passed over to you guys in some way, or at least on the hope that you can make an informed purchase before you go and spend your hard-earned money on the latest tech releases. And we've expanded so fast in places that I really didn't expect us to go at first. We've now got my new podcast, 120 Hertz, which is available on Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and even Audible. So wherever you listen to your podcast, you can follow the in-depth discussion there. We talk about all the latest tech news stories and headlines and dive a little bit deeper on stuff that we can't quite cover on the channel, but create a more longer discussion which you can listen to on the go wherever you are, and that is really exciting for the channel as well. But I really can't do this journey without the support and help of you guys. So if you're interested in the latest tech reviews, first impression, hand-on videos, podcast interviews and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification, as it really is the only way that YouTube will push my videos out for you to see, and you'll get notified of course as soon as I release a brand new video. And then you can connect with me of course in all the normal places on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at DomTalksTech, and you can follow me there, and I'll post more regularly about all the latest tech things that are happening regularly. Of course you can send me messages, you can connect with me in those places, and of course I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And finally, if you could share, that would be absolutely incredible and amazing. Share with your mum, dad, grandparents, anyone who we think would benefit from content on this channel. It really does go a long way, so even one share really does significantly help the channel. So that would be absolutely amazing if you guys could also do that too. And I truly do love hearing your feedback and support for the channel. So what I want to see is just leaving a comment down below on any content, videos or podcast interviews that you'd like to see on the channel and obviously on the podcast. Leave a comment down below of the content you want to see, and of course I'll try my best to make that happen and to make that work for you guys in the future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I really do hope you enjoy the content and the videos here, and I'll catch you in the next one.